Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Daisy. We all love you. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. And I hope that you are ready for the entourage of goodness, kindness, positivity, and lots of support coming your way. Enjoy yourself and happy birthday. We love you.
Another year is over now. Time passes day by day. Enjoy every season. You grow, years fly away. Do you feel happy, wiser, better? I hope all these together. No matter what you do, this day belongs to you. Good wishes, happy birthday, the best from me to you. The memories last forever, may all your dreams come true. I wish you love and presents that money cannot buy. A happy smile on your face, a twinkle in your eyes. Wish you a happy, lovely day. I wish you peace and harmony and lucky times enough. Feel that you are sheltered, feel that you are loved. Stay strong, put up a fight for all the chances that you take to earn the biggest pieces of your birthday cake. Good wishes, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daisy. We love you. Happy birthday, Daisy. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Daisy. Happy birthday to you.
This is Frankie. I want to wish you a very, very happy birthday and let you know how much you're loved and how much of a good friend you are. And I hope you have many, many more birthdays. Love you.
Can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me sing. Oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What a mind to ride and deep like it feels good when you know you're down. A super homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is good. You can't touch this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
door. I hope you get what you want, and you want what you're wishing for. I hope you get what you want, and you want what you're wishing for. And when you get what you want, thank your lucky star. Health, wealth, and happiness too. So this birthday boogie is just for you. Now that you're surrounded with the things you adore, I'll holler happy birthday just once more. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
I know that it's your birthday, so I thought I'd give you a shout. Your friend thought it'd be funny your nail to sing you a singing cow. When you first looked at me, you thought that I'd say moo. Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I speak English too. They only paid me 99 cents, so what more should I do? Happy birthday to moo.
A cow had a birthday and all the cows came to eat cow cake and play a cow game, to open cow presents, and when they were through, they said happy birthday the way cows do. And they said, ooh, everybody do it now. Ooh, really nothing to it. Ooh, well, you just learned how to say happy birthday in cow. We're cows.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
We love you, Daisy. Enjoy yourself and happy birthday. We love you.